Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily go to specific date on a chart on TradingView. So you're in a TradingView, right? I'll just change this. You're in chart in TradingView, and now how to get it. So you have options to go by days here on the left top, or just like switch between here, or what you can do on the left bottom where you see the dates here, you can simply go on the right side and go to Alt and G. So if I'm going to press this, it's the same if I would be pressing Alt and G. And right here, you can have like dates. So let's say that I'm only interested in June of 10. And then bang, right? You see right here. So this was the June of 10. Or I can go, see, this is it. And that's pretty much it how we do it. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, guys. I'm really happy to help and provide some guidance. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.